Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last session we added some extra columns from the customer and product tables, and we used XLOOKUP, the function, to look up those values, which meant that we don't now have to manually type these things in anymore. So what I've done now with the table is I've added 3 extra columns. So I just typed in net price, VAT amount and total here into the header area, and that's created 3 new columns. And these are 3 calculated columns that we'll use to calculate these particular amounts. The table is a bit wide at the moment, so in order to facilitate this, I'm just going to hide a few columns. So from G out to L should do it, G out to K. So I'll just highlight those columns, right click and hide. And that just means I have the order quantity, the unit price and the VAT, which is what I want. So for the net price, it equals the unit price times the quantity. So I just point at the cells, and you notice that the formula is written up using this structured referencing here, which is very self-explanatory. So I just press OK, and that's the net price. The VAT amount is equal to the net price times the VAT, and the total equals the VAT amount plus the net price. You'll notice that the columns are all filled automatically, so I don't have to do it, and I don't have to put in the formula in and then copy it down. The structured references are easy to read. It's the net price times the VAT. It's not some opaque formulas we're using letters, etc. So much easier to read. So now we've pretty much completed our table. I'll just unhide those columns now again so we can see them, and right click and unhide, and there we are, and that's our orders table now. So everything from here out is automatic. The only thing now that we have to worry about are these columns here, which is the order number, order line, order date, order quantity, the customer ID and the product ID. And in the next sessions we're going to look at how we can assist the user in preventing errors while putting those fields in manually. That's all there is for the moment. Thanks a lot and bye for now.